Yeah, and as those bluebonnets are really coming out this year, honestly, they've looked really good. I don't know if that's because of the early spring rain that we've had or because of something that happened back in the winter. I have no clue, but to me, they've looked pretty good so far this spring, and hopefully they will continue to do so going forward. Maybe it's because of the recent rain that we've had. Last night's thunderstorms, 100% coverage across North Texas for rainfall, but it did amount to not so much for some areas and a whole lot for some others. I mean, Gainesville, Bonham, just a trace amount of rain, 1/100th of an inch. But then places like Cleburne picked up well over an inch, Fort Worth 3/4 of an inch, McKinney almost half an inch, Waxahachie over a half an inch. So it kind of depends on whether or not you were underneath some of those heavier thunderstorms or not. Denton officially picking up 1/3 of an inch. We're dry now. Wake up a cold front that's moved all that out. The air's a lot drier out there at the moment. Feels a little bit, I know it's cool outside, but in my opinion, feels better than yesterday when it was very muggy and humid and warm before all those thunderstorms rolled through. So northern breeze out there at the moment, keeping things a little cooler today. The clouds will clear out overnight tonight, and I got nothing going on the rest of the week. Your Wednesday's quiet, Thursday's quiet, Friday is quiet. In fact, most of Saturday is quiet as well. Some more clouds will be around there during the day on Saturday, and as a dry line sharpens up to the west, we'll be watching for some evening and nighttime thunderstorms to form maybe along that dry line and then sweep across North Texas late Saturday night and into Sunday morning. So there's Sunday about 3 in the morning. By daybreak Sunday, most of the activity in eastern North Texas and moving off to the east as we head through the day on Sunday. So Sunday itself, I mean, the majority of the day may end up being a little dry, may end up being dry the first thing in the morning. There could be some lingering showers or storms out there. So storms start out to the west. Some of those could be strong to severe, and then they quickly move through the area Saturday night and into Sunday morning. But that storm system and those rain chances actually going to help us out for Monday because it kind of clears us out during the day on Sunday and into Sunday night. The problem is, as we head into Monday morning, another disturbance starts to move in and clouds will start to increase across the area. Of course, Monday is the day of the total solar eclipse. So the morning may start off mainly clear to partly cloudy, but then some mid to high level clouds look like they'll be moving in during the day. That's better than low level cloud cover because you can still somewhat see the sun through those clouds, but those clouds will thicken up as we head throughout the day, and it does mean that by the time the eclipse happens, I am expecting a mostly cloudy sky, but hopefully it's mostly cloudy with mid to high level clouds versus mostly cloudy with low level clouds. Time will tell on that, but that's what we're looking at, and that's a little more positive than things were looking in the past. I mean, it's not completely positive in that we're seeing just clear skies overhead, but it's a little bit better than maybe what we were looking at the other day. Rain chances look like they'll hold off for most of you, although some late day showers may be moving into the area. So right now, here's what I have for the forecast. Partial eclipse begins about 12:23. Partly to mostly cloudy, about 70 degrees. Mostly cloudy at eclipse time. We'll keep some low-end rain chances in the forecast just in case that disturbance moves a little bit quicker. And then by the time that eclipse comes to a close, temperatures will be in the upper 70s, and I do have mostly cloudy skies around. Going back to Saturday night, there is the threat of some of the strong severe storms with that system that moves in mainly across western and northwestern North Texas. We'll keep an eye on that as we get closer, but multiple rounds of rain headed your way Saturday night and into Sunday morning, and then more rain headed your way kind of toward the middle part of next week after the eclipse, and it could amount to another inch to inch and a half across most of the area as spring continues for us. Lighter winds and chilly tonight, 47 for the low, and then tomorrow dry, breezy, and pleasant for your Wednesday. 71 will be your high tomorrow afternoon. Then it's up to 80 by Friday. Upper 70s for the weekend. We stay in the 70s next week. As we talked about, those rain chances increase after eclipse day on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, I got a 60% coverage of rain out there, maybe even a 30% into Thursday. Staying in the 70s for highs the rest of that week and into the following weekend for you, as April looking pretty April-like. Warm at times with chances of showers and storms and maybe some severe weather as well.
April-like, that makes sense. Thanks, Kyle.